What's up, everybody? Welcome back to another episode of Going Vegan with Rachid. I am your host, Rachid Kareem Shatti, and today I'm here at My Vegan Gold, where I'm gonna try out some vegan orange chicken. Let's see how My Vegan Gold does vegan orange chicken. All right, guys, we've got our vegan soy orange chicken right here. First impressions, I am blown away by the breading on this chicken. Looking at this already, I would have no idea that this is vegan. It looks just like real chicken. The crispy breading on the outside looks to die for. You got some sesame seeds on there. This looks like the real deal. Let's see if it tastes as good as it looks. This right here, this vegan soy orange chicken is hot, crispy, crunchy, delicious. Another one of the best meat substitutes I've had thus far. This soy is chewy, but the consistency of it is just like chicken. You could serve this to me, tell me it's regular orange chicken, I would have no idea. This is on point. They nail the texture. You've got this nice crispy fried outside that contrasts this chewy soy inside. The soy feels just like I'm eating regular chicken, and that is the finishing touch that really sells that this is chicken. The orange sauce is tangy, sweet, and then the tofu chicken itself is packed with flavor. I think the breading has some nice seasoning to it as well. Tastes just like the real deal, feels just like the real deal. The texture feels just like the real deal. I love a dish that has both great flavor and great texture. When you have both, you have the best of both worlds, especially when it's a vegan dish. You're looking for it to replicate the exact same flavor and texture of the real deal. This doesn't feel like a substitute, it feels like a starter. It feels like an all-star. All right, guys, that wraps up another episode of Going Vegan with Rachid. Thank you all so much for watching. Please like, subscribe, leave a comment, and tune in again next week for another episode. Thank you.